Alright, today we have an unboxing from cubicle.com. Now I have a few cubes in here, but I really want to spend my time on unboxing them and giving more in-depth first impressions. So I'm going to split them up into multiple videos, one video for each cube. For this video, I'm going to be covering the Maru CM-3. So let's get into it. Alright, so like I said before, I'm going to split these up into separate videos where I'm going to give my first impressions of them. So for this video, I'm going to be doing my first impressions for the Maru CM-3. Also, something interesting is I noticed that they included a premium lubricant guide from the Cubicle, and it gives, much like Speed Cube Shop, the speed and viscosity and cushion of it, which is super cool that they now have this. So if you didn't know, here it is. I can make a video on this too, giving you like a guide for the lubes. Alright, so this cube popped up on the Cubicle website a little while back, and I was very curious about what the cube was, and I couldn't find any videos of it anywhere or reviews. So I thought I would buy it and make the video, and who knows, maybe it is a good cube. I didn't know Maru made cubes. I thought they only did lube, but I guess they made a magnetic 3x3, the Cold Moon. But anyways, let's get into it and see if it's a good cube. Alright, it opens up to another box, and here we have the cube and the two lubes. That's something that's super interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a Speed Cube that also comes with lubes made by the same manufacturer. So that's something that's very unique about this cube. We've got the cube here, and it resembles the GAN look, which I like a lot. And then we have the two lubricants. One I think is more traditional Maru, and one is a bit more silicone-y. And I'm going to try them out later in this video. Let's see what this says. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about the lubes, does it? Well, yeah, I'll figure it out. Interesting. It's really weird. Wow. I'm feeling like it gets, I don't know if it's getting caught or magnetically attracted here. I don't know what, but it's kind of very blocky and bumpy, super bumpy. Yeah, and it's also really loud. Let's check corner cutting. Alright, well, corner cutting is okay. It's pretty good. Magnet strength is medium-ish, a little bit lighter than medium. And it's got some weird bumps in the middle. Yeah, I don't know, it's weird. Reminds me kind of the Tao Cube, which is literally the exact same price, and it's also some weird, obscure cube. So, I don't know. I'll do a comparison of those maybe later as well. Let's try it out with some of the lube, because it's very dry. Alright, so after putting in both the lubes, I guess it's a little bit quieter and a little bit smoother, but not that big of a difference. It's really loud, really clacky cube. And for $22, I just can't recommend it. I was hoping that you know, kind of be an underdog and come out of nowhere and be really good, kind of like the Little Magic, but no, it's not that good. I honestly don't think it's worth your money. There are other better cubes at that price point. But yeah, that's my opinions on it. I will possibly try and set it up with other cubicle lubes and try and make it as best as it can be, and come back and do a video check-in later. But as of right now, I wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, that's my first impressions of the Maru cube. Stay tuned to see my first impressions of the other cubes that I unboxed in this package. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.